Question 4 of the Wassce 2019 General Mathematics Theory Pass question says that in the diagram, PQRS is a quadrilateral. Angle PQR equals to angle PRS, which is equals to 90 degrees. Angle PQR and angle PRS is 90 degrees. That means this is angle 90. This is angle 90, okay? Line PQ is 3 centimeters. Line QR is 4 centimeters. And line PS is 13 centimeters. Find the area of the quadrilateral. Find the area of the quadrilateral PQRS. So we want to find the area of quadrilateral PQRS. Now, if you take a look at this, you realize something right here, that the area of the quadrilateral PQRS will be equal to this. This is PQRS. You will take notice that the quadrilateral can be divided into two triangles. It can be divided into this triangle right here, triangle PQR. This is one triangle, and this is another triangle, PRS, right? So that means the area of the quadrilateral PQRS can be divided into two triangles, so that way you can have equals to area of triangle PQR. So this is triangle PQR plus area of triangle PRS, or I can say PSR. Okay, so angle PQR or angle PSR. So I have two triangles. Very good. So for me to find the area of the quadrilateral, I have divided it into area of triangle PQR and PSR. Okay, and one thing also you also need to remember is what is the area of a triangle. These are right angle triangles, right? So that means that area, let's write it right here, area of triangle, just for you to remember, is half times base times height. Half times base times height, right? So that means for the area of PQR, is going to be half, okay, times, what is the base? So for a triangle, take a look at this. For a right angle triangle that you have this way, okay, this is going to be the base, and this is going to be the height. Okay, so let's come back to this place. For PQR, it's going to be half times base. Base is 4 times height. My height is 3. Height is 3. Very good. Very good. This is the area of triangle PQR. Very good. Plus area of triangle PSR. So that's going to be half. Remember, area of a triangle is half times base times height times. Now take a look at this. This is the triangle right here. The base is going to be PR. It's going to be line PR. Okay, the base is going to be, for this triangle right here, the base is going to be PR, but we don't know line PR, okay? So it's going to be line PR times the height. Remember height is going to be line SR, which we don't know, okay? So that means we have to go look for it. So now let's go on that journey right now to go look for PR and SR, and then we'll bring those values, those numbers back into this equation right here, okay? So now let us consider triangle. So now let us find PR right here. Let us find this side right here, PR. So now we can say in triangle PQR, okay, use Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, now for us to use Pythagoras Theorem right here, what do we have? We know that this is the opposite and this is the adjacent, and then you are looking for the hypotenuse, right? We know that in Pythagoras Theorem you have hypotenuse squared equals to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So let us use the approach here. PR is the hypotenuse. So I will say PR squared equals to opposite squared. What is your opposite squared? Opposite squared is 3 squared. But before that, we can say PR squared bracket, equals to line PQ. Let's put it that way. PQ squared plus the adjacent is QR squared. Okay. Now take note, we are looking for PR. So I'll say PR squared. So now what is PQ? PQ is 3. So I'll say 3 squared plus what is QR? QR, line QR is 4. So I'll say 4 squared. Very good, guys. Very good. We are getting somewhere right here. So in that case, I'll have PR squared, right, equals to 3 squared means 3 times 3, that is 9, plus 4 squared means 4 times 4, that is 16. So now I have 25. 9 plus 16 is 25, okay? PR squared. Now if you take a look at this now, right, you are looking for PR. So for you to find PR, what do? You take square root of both sides, okay? So that way this is going to be PR, and then you take square root of 25, and square root of 25 is going to give you 5. Very good. So now we've been able to get line PR. We've been able to get line PR, okay? So now we've gotten line PR, which is 5 centimeters. Very good. So we've gotten this one right here, PR, okay? Now if you also take a look at this, we need SR. This also is a right angle triangle, which we can also apply Pythagoras Theorem. This PS is your hypotenuse, SR is the opposite, PR is your adjacent, okay? So we can say this, that we can say using Pythagoras Theorem for triangle PSR, okay? So we want to do that for triangle PSR also. Take note, we know that it's going to be square of the hypotenuse, the hypotenuse right here is PS, okay? So I will say line PS squared, okay, equals to opposite squared right here is SR. So I'll come back here and I'll say line SR squared, remember it's going to be hypotenuse squared, equals to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. What is the adjacent? Adjacent here is going to be PR, okay? So that is PR squared. Very good. Now, what is the PS? If you go back to the diagram, we know that PS, this is the diagram, we know that PS is 13. Is 13. We are going to put that right there. So 13 squared, okay, equals to SR. SR. Do we know SR? No, we don't know SR. That's what we are looking for. But PR is 5. PR is 5. Let's put that right there. Okay. Now SR, we don't know. That's what we are looking for. PR is 5. Then we can say 5 squared. Okay. Very good, guys. 13 squared means 13 times 13. That is 169 equals SR squared plus 5 squared means 25. That's 5 times 5 is 25. Okay. So now what do we need? We are trying to look for SR. So let us collect like terms. 25 plus 25 goes in right here and becomes negative 25, right? So I have 169 minus 25. That is equals to SR squared. This is pretty easy, guys. This is easy. I hope you are getting it. So in that case, 169 minus 25 is 144. So 144 equals SR squared. Very good, guys. And as you know, that 144 equals to SR squared can be rewritten as SR squared, line SR squared equals to 144, right? So now I'm looking for SR, okay? So because I'm looking for SR and it has a square, what do? You take square root of both sides. So if you take square root of both sides, this will give you SR now, because that will take away the square, right? And then you have square root of 144. Okay. Now SR is going to give you what? Square root of 144 is 12. So that means my SR, my line SR, okay, is going to be what? It's going to be 12 centimeters. Let's go back to the diagram. Okay, so line SR now is what? 12 centimeters. Very good, guys. Very good, guys. So that means we can come back to this formula that we have right here. We said area of triangle PQR. So that one is half base times height, half times 4 times 3. And then this one is half times PR. Now we know PR to be 5 times SR. Now we know SR to be 12. Okay. So now I can come back here and then I will say, therefore, an area of quadrilateral PQRS, okay, of quadrilateral PQRS is equal to half times, okay, 4 times 3 times 4 times 3, okay, plus half times, what is our PR? We got PR to be 5. What about SR? SR is 12. So half times 5 times 12. Half times 5 times 12. Very good, guys. This is pretty easy now. This is pretty. I hope you guys understand the way we have been able to solve this so far. Okay, so now what do we do? Let's break it down. 2 here, 1, 2 into 1, 2 in 4 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, 6 over 1, right? 6 over 1 plus 2 into is 1. 2 in 12 is 6. So that means I have 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. So I have 30 over 1. And as you know, that 6 over 1 is 6. And 30 over 1 is 30. So 6 plus 36. 6 plus 30 is 36. And as we know, this is in centimeters, and for area is going to be centimeters squared. So that means the area of quadrilateral PQRS is 36 centimeters squared. Very good, guys. This is pretty easy. This is pretty what? Easy. Remember that what we did to find the area of the quadrilateral was to look at the diagram and divide the diagram, the quadrilateral, into two triangles. Triangle PQR is the first one. Triangle PSR is the second one. So we found the area of triangle PQR and also area of triangle PSR, and then we sum them up together. Very good, guys. I hope you guys understand this. I will encourage you to look at the solutions very well to ensure that you understand it. Okay, if you are new on this channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below, because the more you guys subscribe to our channel, the more we are motivated to make more videos for you guys, because we want to see you guys succeed. Okay, and also click on the bell to turn on your notification so you don't miss any of our videos. I will see you guys in the next class. Bye.